Alright, so we want to do number 69 and 6.4, which says factor this thing completely. Okay. So, is there anything common amongst all the terms that I can factor out first?
A plus B.
Yeah, there's a factor of a plus b in each term. Okay, so I can say, alright, this is a plus b times what? What am I left with in the first term?
X plus.
An x squared here, right? And then in the next term, what am I left with? Yeah, there's a 6 and an x. And then in the last term, there's a 9. Okay, and then what? What should I recognize here?
It's not difference of squares, but...
Yeah, it's not difference of squares. It's the other thing we have an acronym for. It's a perfect square trinomial, right? So what's that thing?
X plus 3.
Okay. So that's an x plus 3 whatted? Squared. Awesome. So I think we've factored completely there. Do you have a hang up you?
Oh, it's just weird that the 6x, like.
Oh, yeah.
That
So
was confusing.
multiplication doesn't really care about order, right?
Yeah.
So what this thing means is 6 times whatever that is times x, right? I could rewrite that as this thing times 6 times x, but your book rewrote this way. Why? Why did your book write things in this kind of screwy order?
To trick us?
Not quite to trick you. When they write things, they write them in standard form, which goes numbers, variables in alphabetical order. So they put the a plus b first because it's alphabetically lower than x. That's really just a thing about the way your book writes. Certainly this is the same thing as if you were to rewrite this as a plus b times x squared plus a plus b times 6x plus 9 times a plus b, right? Or a plus b times 9, maybe, to make things match. Does that make sense? All right, anything else?